Hey guys, it's Marcus from New York Maztech 315, and today we are going to be taking a look at the K20 by Onikuma. I might have butchered that name. Professional gaming headset, dynamic drivers, high fidelity, padded headband, inline control, noise canceling microphone, and of course, precise. Alright, so the speaker size is 40 millimeters and the sensitivity is 108 plus give or take 3 decibels. Frequency range is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Interesting. Let's see. The microphone is 6.0 by 6 by 5 millimeters, basically. Excuse me. LED voltage, give or take DC 5 volts. Headset jack is USB plus 3.5 millimeter. Of course, in order to get the RGB that it offers, you do need to plug in the HDMI. In order to get the audio and the microphone, you do need to get 3.5 millimeter jack plugged in. That's what I'm assuming. So, handy dandy instructional guide if you didn't know how to do it, which, I mean, gotta admit, pretty cool. Alright, let's get it out itself. Alright, I will say, cushiony, for sure. I do like the fact that it comes with a heavy duty braided rope. It's not plastic. Of course, this is how they get your mic and your headset to work. Which I do like the fact that they have them color coordinated or color coded, so that way you know which ones to plug in. USB 2.0, and of course the main 3.5 millimeter jack, which I would assume if you plug this in as so, you wouldn't actually be able to plug it in as so because the output is a little bit thicker. It's a little bit thicker than its counterpart. Not much, but just a little. I mean, you'd probably get away with it, but I don't think so. Yeah, I wouldn't try it. It does come with, you can turn your mic on and off, volume control right on this piece. Very cool. And it even has a diagram of, you know, how loud it might be, what you're looking to get out of it. And we should go ahead and plug it in and see exactly what it looks like. So I'm going to have my daughter, who is currently playing Roblox. Oh, I just love the fact that it comes with pictures and instructions, because I can't really read. No, I'm kidding. But it is nice that it does come with pictured instructions, kind of just to show you, again, just to kind of show you where things are going, what they're about. I mean, you would think that most people would know, but you don't know that, so. Alright, let's try it on. Okay, feeling it. Does adjust. Feel like I'm a helicopter pilot. Major time to ground control. Alright, let's go ahead and check it out on computer and see what it looks like and see if Halia can give us a little bit of insight on the sound in that. Stay tuned. Alright, this is my daughter Halia. Halia, say hello to everybody.
Hello.
And right now she's wearing the Sadays, or I might be saying that wrong, Sadays headset. I've had this headset for a couple of years, so it's a bit worn. There's no RGB, but she may have this on backwards. You do. Can we flip it around really quick? She doesn't use the mic, but it does come down. There you go. You get to see the sleek style. But today we're going to hook her up with something different. I'm going to go ahead and unplug that old headset, okay? She's knee deep into a gaming binge of Roblox, so she does not want to be bothered.
Hard work at
Cool part about this is like you could plug it in the back, but let's try and unplug it and see if it actually does fit. I could be wrong on the dimension because the CORSAIR case offers both microphone and audio, sorry. Alright, you want to try these on?
They work.
Do they? You can hear them?
Yes.
Oh, come a little closer here. No, I didn't mean your face. I meant the side of the headset. So there you go. You could, no. Go ahead and keep playing, please. Just want to give them a little bit of, so it does have their name on it. So the RGB you do get, but it does have the Onikuma, or I'm probably saying this wrong, Onikuma headset. We could do some more testing in that, but I'm not going to bother her right now. I will add to the video by trying it on myself and testing out the audio capabilities and possibly allowing you guys to hear that to see how crisp that sound is. And go ahead and say goodbye, Goof.